Hello, I'm Eric Price with LI-COR Biosciences. Today I'm going to tell you how to properly connect your LI-192 or LI-193 underwater quantum sensor to the underwater cable. You'll notice the yellow dot on one side of the sensor. You will see that it is not on the other side. This yellow dot is important because it lines up with the raised nub on the underwater sensor cable. So when you go to connect it, make sure that you line up the raised nub with the yellow dot and push like this. Now, this appears to be fully connected, but it is not. You'll want to make sure that you push hard on the connector so that it connects fully with the sensor, and you should hear a pop like this. Now once you've connected it, tighten the white connector like so.